When it comes to taking your workspace or gaming setup to the next level, the LG 49WQ95C-W stands out. This is a 49-inch ultra-wide monitor with a 32:9 aspect ratio that basically combines two high-resolution monitors into one seamless, immersive display. For professionals, gamers, and creatives, this isn't just about screen size. It's about redefining how you interact with digital content. Starting with the display, the DQHD resolution at 5120 by 1440 ensures everything is sharp and detailed. Combined with Nano IPS technology, colors are vibrant, accurate, and lifelike. Whether it's editing photos, videos, or watching cinematic content, this monitor delivers visuals that feel more real and engaging. The curve isn't just for aesthetics. It enhances focus by naturally guiding your field of view toward the center, reducing eye strain and making long sessions more comfortable. Gaming is where the LG 49WQ95C-W really shines. It supports NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, which means gameplay is smooth, fluid, and free from tearing or stuttering. Whether racing through high-speed tracks, exploring massive open worlds, or competing in shooters, motion is seamless, responsive, and immersive. HDMI 2.1 support ensures the monitor works perfectly with the latest gaming consoles, offering high refresh rates and crystal-clear visuals that won't disappoint. Connectivity options are extensive. Alongside HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort, it features USB Type-C with 90W power delivery. This allows a single cable to carry both display and power, perfect for laptops or devices that support USB-C charging. Less clutter, fewer cables, and a cleaner desk. Features that make setup simple and functional. Ergonomics are well considered too, with height, tilt, and swivel adjustments letting you find the perfect viewing angle. Long working hours, gaming marathons, or creative sessions become much easier on the body. Multitasking is a major benefit. With a 32:9 ratio, you can comfortably work on multiple applications simultaneously. Edit a video, keep tabs on social media, and run productivity software all at the same time without feeling cramped. Many users find that this monitor can entirely replace a dual monitor setup, providing more screen real estate in a single, seamless display. For creatives, developers, and business professionals, it's a productivity game changer. Entertainment also gets a boost. Movies, shows, and games appear cinematic thanks to HDR support and precise color calibration. Highlights, shadows, and midtones are all accurately represented, making streaming or gaming more enjoyable. The Nano IPS panel ensures natural color reproduction, making content look vivid and lifelike even in bright rooms. Some considerations are worth noting. At 49 inches, this monitor is large and requires ample desk space. Adjusting to the 32:9 ultra-wide may take a short period for those accustomed to traditional screens. However, once accustomed, it's hard to revert to smaller or standard widescreens. This monitor is best suited for users who can take full advantage of its size and features. In conclusion, the LG 49WQ95C-W 49-inch ultra-wide monitor offers a combination of productivity, gaming, and entertainment features that are hard to match. With DQHD resolution, Nano IPS display technology, GSYNC and FreeSync Premium Pro support, USB-C convenience, and ergonomic adjustments, it's a versatile powerhouse for anyone looking to upgrade their setup. Whether for creative work, gaming, or multitasking, it provides a premium experience that makes digital interaction smoother, more efficient, and visually stunning. To explore pricing and availability, the link is provided in the description. Experiencing it firsthand shows why this ultra-wide monitor is gaining attention from tech enthusiasts worldwide.